Birds live nearly everywhere, even in harsh dry deserts and on Antarctic ice sheets. But it's not always easy to search for food. Find a mate, raise young ones, and avoid predators. So how do they succeed in this game of survival? The answer lies in the tricks and tools that birds use to solve life's challenges. The most obvious of these are feathers. But feathers are not just for flight. They also give the bird its color. A typical desert or grassland bird has dull feathers to blend in with its surroundings and hide in plain sight. In contrast, many forest birds have a bright plumage which helps them attract mates and repel rivals. Some birds are normally dull, but change into an eye-catching appearance for the mating season. Feathers are supremely versatile. But there's more. The beaks of different species are equally diverse and are closely adapted to their diets. The conical beaks of seed-eating birds easily crush grain. The slender, pointed beaks of nectar feeders are perfect for dipping into flowers. The hooked beaks of birds of prey are designed to tear into flesh. In contrast, omnivores have beaks that can process a variety of foods. Lightweight beaks instead of jaws and teeth, streamlined feathers, hollow bones with air sacs through which more oxygen can flow into their bodies. These strategies and adaptations allow birds to take to the skies, find food, escape predators, and travel long distances. All that they have needed to survive and thrive for 100 million years on an ever-changing planet.